Mopar to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1973 Dodge Charger, 400 V8 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes. Edelbrock 4-barrel carb on there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front chrome. Bright work up front. Has had a repaint. This would have been pale green originally. As you can see, a little bit brighter now. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can all be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on slotted wheels, Cooper Cobra radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. This car is coming out of long-term ownership with the same family. They weren't driving it enough, decided to get it out of storage and let somebody else enjoy it. It does have newer vinyl seat covers, bucket seats looking good up front, newer carpeting. Black vinyl top. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A few imperfections in the paint here and there. So I kind of point out as we go around. There's a couple dingers in the trunk lid. You see one there, and if you get the light just right, I should say. Be a fun car for your local roll-ins and cruise-ins. Have a little fun. Get into the classic car hobby without breaking the bank. And once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Technicians noted brakes are 80% or better. New brake hoses, newer tires. Did mention the wipers were in a few seeps from the engine underneath, a little bit moist, but again, what can be expected from a car that's driven. And passenger side exhaust manifold, slight leak to it. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like Mopars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. We do have a little soft spot, a little rust in front of that driver's rear tire, as you can see, and you'll be able to see all the underside pics again in the still pictures. Unique Classic Cars. Let's go ahead and check out this interior a little closer, and I will start this up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood at the very end of the video. We'll take this one for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Door panel looks good, and like I said, has had the seats reupholstered, so the vinyl in them is in nice shape, as well as the carpeting has been redone. Let's go ahead and fire this up. All right, so you can see oil pressure coming up. Fuel gauge I noticed earlier, that went up. We have alternator here and temperature. That was a cold start. I won't expect temp gauge to be up. Also, let's call it a radio delete along the way somewhere, so you put in whatever radio you wanted. Top of the dash looking good. Charger SE emblems. Chrome emblems on the door. How about that headliner? Looking good. A little rumble coming out of this 400. Let's take a listen. Nice deep throaty exhaust note. Time to check out the engine bay. I'm going to pause this a second, take me both hands to get this hood open. Check out the engine bay. Fender tag on here will be in with the still pictures, and we did do some decoding, so if you want to see any of the decoding on that fender tag, we'll have that in the still pictures too. So let's look at the engine bay. Give you a good look at the underside of the hood. There it is. Again, 400 4-barrel V8. That is an Edelbrock 4-barrel on there. Battery disconnect for in between drives while it's in storage. You can see power brakes, power steering. Sounds good, smooth runner. Stick around a little while longer if you want to see Jason take it for a drive. Show you how it goes down the road. 1973 Dodge Charger. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1973 Dodge Charger in bright green with a black interior. This is an automatic on the column. The left turn signal indicator is working on the fender and on the dash. Very nice rumble to this car. There is something a little rattling, maybe up by the glove box here. I cannot find it. Our heater is working, the blower motor works on this car. The oil pressure is reading 3/4 of the way up the gauge. That's very good. The fuel gauge is reading almost full. Speedometer showing 45 miles per hour, and that seems accurate. As I was saying, an automatic on the column, which makes it easy to drive. Good condition vinyl bucket seats in this car. A little bit later Charger. Rides a little better on the road. '73 and 4. The last years for the big Charger like this. And this bright green, a nice throwback to the Sublime green that Mopar used a lot. Or a lot of people liked, I should say. This car corners nicely. Stays pretty level in the corners for what you'd expect for a '73. It doesn't lean that much. Alternator gauge right here is charging over half. Our coolant temperature has not moved. That one may not come off cold because we've been running over 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. Nice looking black carpet. I would almost say that looks newer. You want a bright green '73. You're not going to see very many. This is definitely one to take a look at. Check out all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.